y equal to 3 cosine x, right? So what is the parallel graph look like? Cosine x, right?
Yep.
Alright, so alright, I'm gonna do it again for the camera. So this is what? 0. This is pi over 2. This is
5. 3 pi over 2.
And
And 2 pi.
And last time I draw it here, but I end up messed it up. Okay. What is this one?
0,1.
Not 0, 1. No.
Sorry.
1, 0.
Negative 1. 0,1.
What else? Okay, now we know what else. Okay. This is the theta, of course cosine theta, and this is the value. So the cosine theta can be, alright, let's do the graph. Oh, no, this is not a good place. Okay. This is better, right? So this one has to be what? 0, right? This one is 0, and next one is? Oh, by the way, this is x, this is y. Pi over 2, pi,
3 pi over 2.
3 pi over 2, 2 pi, now we're going to go backward.
Negative pi over 2.
Pi over 2,
Negative 3 pi over 2. And negative 2 pi.
negative 2 pi, okay. Okay, that's nice, okay. We have nice room here. Let's do it here. Oh no, let's do it here. We already made it here. So what is 0? And then what is it? Pi over 2. And then pi. And then 3 pi over 2. And then 2 pi. And then negative pi over 2. And then negative pi. And then negative 3 pi over 2. And then negative 2 pi. Did I include everything? Okay. Now remember we are dealing with cosine theta. Cosine theta. Cosine 0 degree is what? 1. Cosine 90 degree is? Cosine 180 degree is? And cosine 270? Cosine 360? Backward. Cosine 270. Cosine 270. Cosine 180. Cosine 90. And again back. 1. Okay. Hopefully we're going to try to use that one. What is our limit? Upper limit and lower limit? 1 and 1. Yeah, we already made it in, right? We already made it in. Okay. So this is 1 and this is negative 1. Okay. Because the next problem is if it is 5, then you know how to change it to 5. Or if it is any number, you know how to change it to any number. Does that make sense? Alright, we are graphing the parent equation. This is parent equation. Y equal to what? Cosine? Cosine x. Okay. Alright. The amplitude is 1. Okay. Alright. So 0. Cosine 0 is what? 1. Cosine 0 is 1. What is cosine 90?
0.
What is cosine 180?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. And what is cosine 270?
0.
And what is cosine finally?
1.
1. Alright, let's go back. And cosine 270? 0. And then next one?
Negative 1.
And then next one?
0.
And then next one?
And 1.
Next one is 1?
1.
Okay.
The cosine is a reflection of the other.
This is cosine. and this is goes forever. Now we're gonna draw it. Draw the one that you see on the worksheet. And guess what? It's gonna take us will take us half an hour to draw that. At least half an hour. That's it.
Professor,
Yes, sir.
for this one, do you have to include the left side because this only equals x, cosine x? So
It doesn't, okay. No, you don't, but it doesn't have to include more than what they ask.
Yeah, so
Not
we
less
can-
than what they ask. Yeah.
So we can only, for in
Yeah.
this case, only take.
Only from year to year. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you
Oh, let me see.
you have to
No, you have to. Negative 2 pi 2, yes, you have to. You have to. X is 2 pi, negative 2 pi. So you have to. Yeah, you have to. I did not see that statement. Does that make sense?
Yes.
I did it without looking at it, but yes, you have to. Alright, so this is cosine. And the next problem is what? Negative cosine. Okay, now again, this is a good opportunity to use a parent graph. We're going to do y equal to what? Negative cosine. Cosine what?
Cosine
X. We're going to change. What is the amplitude?
minus 1.
Minus 1. So we're going to...
Professor, you said minus 1 is 1. You don't have a negative.
Yeah, it's 1.
1.
Yeah. 1 minus 1. Okay. So what are you going to do?
Instead of starting from 1, start from 1 negative 1.
Okay.
Just flip it.
Yeah, you just flip it. And you erase the other one. And you erase the what do you call the orange one?
Parent equation.
Say it again.
The
Parent equation, yeah. Because you don't want them to see that. If you want them to see that, then they will get confused which one you are trying to talk about.
So the limits are set for the cycles. So that is 2 cycles of course.
Yes, this is the negative. This is the inverse of the positive.
No, this until because you're going from negative 2
Change this.
to 2.
Negative 2 pi to positive 2 pi.
So that's 2 cycles. That's what I'm asking.
Two-sided because it says that,
No, 2 cycles.
what do you mean
In
two-sided?
terms of the amplitude, you graph in 2 cycles of that particular graph. No, that's not 1 cycle. That's 2 cycles.
Oh, this is okay. Oh, okay. He is talking about the cycle. Okay. The cycle is the crest to crest. This is something you don't need to know. But okay, I understand what you're talking about. Cycle is... Okay, so... Okay, I got it. Alright, so cycle is... Alright, so cycle is... This is called... Trop. This is called crest. Crest to crest is 1 cycle.
The question I was asking is, it's from negative 2 pi less to 2 pi. So does that imply that the graph must be graphed on that particular range?
Right, yes.